Hello everyone, today we're going to go over what abrasive paste can do for your projects. This project here is a project I do every year for the local drag racers. I make a trophy, it's out of resin, I put a hand in there. You'll see it at the end, it's pretty cool. The first thing we need to do is the fun part, of course, is sanding. When I'm doing a resin project, I'll go to 1,000. I'll go to dry sandpaper to about 400 grit, and then I wet sand from 400 to 1,000. I have a sanding video on how to sand resin projects to a glass finish. I'll put that in the cards above and below. So you go ahead and sand to 1,000. This is Yorkshire Grit. This is the original. We're going to use a Microfine in a second. You get a liberal amount and you put it all over it. We need to get the Yorkshire Grit evenly throughout the whole project so that there's no dry spots. We're about to turn on the lathe and it's going to be very, very noticeable if you have some dry spots. Basically, this was liquid sandpaper, so once you turn on that lathe, you're going to work it in with a paper towel and go ahead and just work it in. The lathe's about 500 RPM right here, and you just kind of work it in there. And at first, you're going to hear it and you can feel the grit in it, and the more you work it in, the less of the grit you're gonna feel, and it'll be apparent whenever it's time to start wiping off the excess with a paper towel. So all you do there is you just wipe it off with a paper towel until you're not getting any more off with the paper towel, and then you look at your results. Now that we're through with that, we can do the Microfine. I used the Yorkshire Grit original on this project at first just to show you that what the results are going to be with it. Yorkshire Grit Microfine, I could have done this just with that sand up to 1,000 like we did before, and I could have just went straight to this. I just wanted to show you that Yorkshire Grit original will work. It'll do a good job, but the Microfine just brings it to a whole nother level. The process for Yorkshire Grit Microfine is the exact same as Yorkshire Grit original. The process is exactly the same. It's just whenever you're going to use it. I use the Microfine on, you can use it on all of your resin projects, especially the ones that are see-through like this one here. If I have a dark resin project that you can't see through and there's a lot of wood, I'll just use the original and it looks fantastic. But if you want to take it up a notch, use the Microfine. Now when you're using just wood, you can use the Yorkshire Grit original, and you only need to sand to like 240, get to 240 and then start using the Yorkshire Grit. But if I do have a resin project with any kind of resin in it, I sand to 1,000. I usually have stabilized wood, and I'll sand to 1,000 and then use the grit. The last part of it is Yorkshire Grit is not a finish. So you need to finish with something, either microcrystalline wax, you can do like that. I tend to use buffing wheels on projects like this. The last step is wax on that buffing wheel, and that's the finish I use. So here's the finished project. If you got anything out of this video, go ahead and subscribe and stuff. I have links below to the Yorkshire Grit and other things. Please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Come back and see us, and y'all be good.